Welcome. In this video, we'll be bringing anime fanfiction to life using AI. If you have been anywhere on the internet in the past couple of months, you might have come across art that has been created using artificial intelligence. For example, tools like DALI 2 and MidJourney, etc., can be used to create art from text prompts. So, MidJourney collaborated with Spellbrush and created this. So, this is NijiJourney. I think it's called NijiJourney. I don't know if it's called NijiJourney or just NijiJourney, but yeah, it is a tool that is specifically made to create anime illustrations. It is built by it is made by Midjourney and Spellbrush in collaboration. And what better use for this technology than turning anime fanfiction into reality? The way this tool works is through a Discord bot. Let me just quickly launch my Discord. Where is it? So I'm in their Discord server right now, as you can see, and I'll go to one of their image generation channels. As you can see, a lot of people are already creating a lot of art. Look at this through text. Look at this. Look how good that looks. That is something that the AI created from scratch using a text prompt. So what I've done is I've texted my friends and asked them what anime fantasy they wish would come real, right? And I obviously asked them to keep it SFW because YouTube and professional stuff, right? So the first one is Yuri Plisetsky and Otabek Alton doing domestic scene. To keep things professional, on the NijiJourney server, some words are banned. Yuri being one of the words that is banned. If you don't know why that is banned, you probably don't watch anime or you don't read manga enough. So what we're going to do, we're just going to take the last name, Plisetsky, and we're going to create a bunch of domestic scenes, right? So the way you put in a prompt is you type / imagine prompt, and we'll go with Plisetsky and Otabek Alton and what cooking lunch together, and then we'll put in some descriptors. For example, wide view, vibrant colors, detailed, cute, lovely. I don't know how much of it the AI is going to understand, but yeah, we'll just go with that and enter. So what the AI is going to do, it is going to take that text prompt and it is going to create 4 versions of it. You can see in other prompts, it's going to create 4 versions of it, and you can choose which version you would like to upscale, which is basically create a more high definition version of it, or you can just pick one which you think is a step in the right direction and you click on create variants. You see V1, V2, V3, V4. For example, if I think V3, the 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I think V3 is something that I need, but it's not exactly what I'm looking for, I'll click on V3. So it will create more variants similar to that style or the composition in that art. If I didn't know that I just created this using an AI prompt, I would think these are screenshots out of an actual anime. Right? Look at how good these look, and these are not even high definition yet. These are just low definition samples, and I can upscale them. Let's see, which one should I upscale? Let's just go with the first one, upscale 1. Let's wait for it to render, and it's done. Look at that. can go to the original. Look how good that looks. I mean, the eyes are a little off, but if you look at the entire composition, it looks really good when you think about the fact that an AI created this from scratch. We'll create one more domestic scene with these characters, but then we'll move on to the next prompt because we have a couple more. Plisetsky and Otabek Alton cooking lunch together. Let's change that to watching TV. TV together on the couch. Wide view, vibrant colors, detail, cute, lovely. Let's go with same descriptives and enter. Look at this. I mean, yeah. If you look close, yeah. But yeah, if you look at the overall composition, for example, the back view, these look so good. So the next prompt is Deco on a date with Ura Raka. I'll just type the exact prompt that I got. Date with Uraraka. Are you sure there's not someone there's some intern in their office who's just feeding me actual screenshots from the anime? Because see, the last one had some defect, but I don't think this one has any. I mean, the cup is levitating, but the facial features are pretty, the facial features are pretty spot on. With this one, top right one, let me just upscale it. Where is it? Let's see. the hand looks a little disturbed, but the rest of the scene, the entire, when you look at it as an entire scene, you won't notice any flaw in it. I don't know if Japanese is accurate in the back, but the scene itself looks really good, except the hands. Okay, so the next prompt is so this is not a prompt, but this is an anti-prompt. So my friend hates BL, and he specifically asked me not to create any fanfic for Bakugo and Deku, but that is exactly what I'm going to do now. I'm going to do the same prompt we did for Uraraka, but we'll just replace Uraraka with Bakugo. As you can see in other prompts, you can be as descriptive as you want. You can add as many descriptives as you want, and you can also add some values. You can see here it says --, 2:3, etc. Those are values you can add to give more detail to your art. Basically, if you don't know how to structure your prompt, what you can do is there is a channel specifically for crafting your prompt. You can go into prompt craft channel and tell the server members exactly what kind of art you're looking for, and they'll help you create a prompt for it. The nose looks a little wonky, but the overall picture again looks really good. I think the lighting is really good, the shadows are good, and the backdrop and the cityscape, etc., all looks really good. Because remember, the only prompt I gave the AI is that they're on a date, right? I gave it two characters, Bakugo and Deku, and I told it that they're on a date. Everything else in the scene is what the AI decided. The background, the coffee shop, the environment, the lighting, etc., everything has been decided by the AI itself. On to the next one. Imagine Luffy dating Boa Hancock. Why? I swear 90% of all anime fanfiction is just characters you wish dated each other. That doesn't actually look like Luffy, but she looks like Boa Hancock. What happened to them here, I don't know, but that is only one we have with their faces. This one actually looks good. And what happened to this one? His face is missing, Boa Hancock is missing. What happened?